In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel an event in Google Calendar with the new update for 2025. Whether you're managing personal appointments or organizing professional meetings, knowing how to efficiently manage and sometimes cancel events is crucial. So let's dive into this process to make your calendar management as smooth as possible. First, you'll want to navigate to Google Calendar. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in the URL calendar.google.com. Make sure you're logged into the Google account that your calendars are associated with. This is your primary dashboard where you can see all your scheduled events, and it's your starting point for any calendar management tasks. Once you're on your calendar page, take a moment to find the specific event or meeting you want to cancel. It's important to be sure of which event you're targeting, as cancelling it will permanently remove it from your calendar. Scroll through your schedule, looking carefully at the event names and times until you locate the correct one. If you have multiple calendars, ensure you're looking in the right calendar view. After locating the event, click on it to open the event details. This click will bring up a pop-up window displaying information about the event, such as the date, time, and attendees. Here you can double check to ensure you have the right event, which saves you from accidentally cancelling something you didn't intend to. Now, in this event detail window, your next move is to find the trash can icon. It's typically located at the top right of this pop-up window. The trash can icon is your path to event deletion. Clicking it will initiate the cancellation process for the selected meeting or event. After you've clicked the trash can icon, you may be accustomed to seeing a confirmation pop-up asking if you're sure about deleting the event. However, with this new update, there's a change in that behavior. Once you click delete, the action is immediate and no additional pop-up will appear to confirm your choice. This design streamlines the process to save you time, but it also means you need to be extra cautious to ensure you're deleting the right event. And there you have it, a simple way to cancel events in your Google Calendar using the latest update. This process allows for swift modifications to your schedule without any unnecessary clicks or pop-ups, making your event management more efficient. As always, staying organized can greatly enhance productivity, and having these tools at your fingertips is a tremendous asset. Don't forget to ensure your calendar settings and notifications are adjusted to your needs so you can avoid missing any important updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.